Here I am in front of the Harbor House at Pier 21. We are in Galveston finally. It is nice to be here. The weather is perfect. When you get to the Harbor House, you can go up the steps or you can go up the ramp here. Just as a note, if you have wheels on your luggage, it doesn't really travel really well on this cobblestone or brick or whatever it is. My audio got a little messed up, so I figured I'd do a voiceover. Now, one thing to remember, if you get there before your check-in time, they will hold your luggage for you so you can go check out the Strand or the rest of Galveston. They also have beer and wine for sale there at the desk, if that's something that you need. But this is the entire lobby, not very big. If there's a bunch of people checking in, it can get pretty crowded pretty fast. But otherwise, it's really all you need. We stayed in room 319, and we were pleasantly surprised when we walked into the room. The room is quite large. We think it's done up really nice, and well, the bathroom is plenty big enough for whatever you need to do in the bathroom. We like the way it was laid out as far as like the fixtures and whatnot. I was intentionally trying to move slowly with the camera because I find that I move too fast quite often. Now, we didn't notice a safe in the closet. Maybe there was one behind the other door, but we didn't take advantage of it anyway. We just kept our stuff in our bags and hoped for the best. We really liked this room. As I said before, the room was very large. The bed was relatively comfortable, and there was plenty of places to put everything for a one-night stay. We thought the ceiling was really cool. That ceiling fan was kind of neat. And that long dressing table was handy. And now that I think of it, we never opened those doors on the little cabinets or opened those drawers, but maybe the safe was in there. It was cool to look out this window on our cruise day and see a Royal Caribbean ship off in the distance from this room. All in all, the Harbor House at Pier 21 was a pretty decent hotel. The only knock I think that Melissa and I had on it was that it was just a little bit pricey, but our cruise was during spring break, so it's possible that elevated the prices. By the way, we'd love to help you book your next cruise or land vacation. We love helping fit vacations to people, and we often have access to rates, especially on cruises that you just can't find anywhere else. So give us a call and let us see if we can help you out.